Okay, now I will provide you some information on the ongoing results, ongoing activity, and future activities of the Brainteaser project, which is coordinated by the University Politecnica of Madrid. The project started at the beginning of 2021. It's a European funded project on the H2020 framework. The goal of Brainteaser is to bring artificial intelligence home to the patients for better care of two specific diseases, which is ALS, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, and multiple sclerosis. So what we have built so far, the consortium leveraging on the great activity of clinicians, scientists, AI experts, has started collecting several kind of diverse type of data coming from using mobile apps and portable sensor like smartwatches, also sensor to measure the quality of air and exposure to polluted air. Obviously, clinical data obtained from in retrospective studies or prospective studies on new patients. And as I mentioned also, the quality of the air to evaluate how all these data can be used to identify in advance some aspects of the disease tracking, disease progression, and the disease risk. So all the activity done in the past 3 years has focused, so the great work of the AI scientists in the project on the learning, training, testing, validating several AI solutions, leveraging also patient data collected from 4 clinical centers spread around Europe. And so 4, let's say, cluster of models have been created. The first one for the so-called short-term risk alert, so to support both the clinician and the patients to identify the risk of such a risk during the course of the disease, but also disease monitoring, and in particular disease progression, how fast or slow the disease is expected to move, and also patient stratification that can support healthcare centers in the management of these diseases. And this so the results, the AI models have been already, or let's say, almost finalized. Has been also used now, tested on real patients, real clinicians, on clinical activity. Support mostly, or let's say, the initial idea of the project was to support mostly patients and clinicians, so to support home care, what to expect from the disease, to receive, the patient can receive information on their disease in, let's say, also taking care of the ethical aspect of providing information about disease progression, and also to support not only the patient, but the caretaker of the patient, but also to support the decision of the clinician, which decision to take, which treatment to provide to such patients, based on the progression and the disease, to enhance the knowledge of such clinicians on the disease, also with the idea also of these final solutions to be then, let's say, wrapped up as a certified and regulated software as a medical device. But in the activity as exploitation manager, together with the ECH Alliance, also we started having from the beginning, collecting feedback from the various stakeholders, so not only patients and clinicians, but also the possibility also of explore potential viable business models. And so what we also have identified, in addition to all the results obtained so far, is the possibility to provide such a solution also to pharmaceutical companies that could use such models for, let's say, use of stratification of patients to optimize the definition of a clinical trial protocol to test new drugs for ALS and MS. And also to use such solution also to be used, how to say, as a virtual biomarker, so to extract in an easier, faster way how, let's say, how the disease is progressing, also to facilitate this activity. And to do this, we are leveraging, it is then the main activity of InSilicoTrials technologies. We have developed within this project and also in other projects, European funded project, this is a platform where we allow us to connect, integrate solutions coming from research centers, so data, AI tools, computational solutions, and to provide them to the final customers. It could be a pharmaceutical company, new biotechnology company, clinical research organization, in order to have a clear and fast access to such solutions, and also to allow to monetize the IP development and the IP resources obtained by the research center university. And this activity also is in line with the recent flagship initiative of the European Commission called European Virtual Human Twins. In the last couple of years, there has been a great activity of several European universities into design, let's say, to track the blueprint, how a global platform at the European level hosting the virtual human twins, how should be created, how should be designed. This activity is almost closing, and we are now at the beginning of the European Commission started the activities for the tendering of the actual development of such platform. So we expect in 4 or 5 years, there will be, the European Virtual Human Twins will bring the first results where a global recognized and continental level platform will allow to reduce the fragmentation of the various computational solutions, AI and data which are developed at the European level to improve and make it faster the activity of the market to bring new solutions, new drug, new medical device, new medical technologies to the patients, and so to improve the quality of life and the quality of care provided to citizens and patients in Europe. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vincenzo, for the presentation of Brainteaser. And is there something, I know that Brainteaser also had run some challenges and engaged the wider stakeholders. Is there still something going on maybe this year? I know that some data sets were shared with the community so that the community could also run some projects.
Yes, so this is an activity which was brought on by the University of Padova, which is one of the research centers focused with the expertise on AI. The example of the challenges was to share with the public, with other research centers, the data collected from the patients in order to, test the solutions and the idea developed within the Brainteaser to share with the community and, let's say, start an healthy competition to see, it's in a way to also improve the quality and see if there are better solutions or better ideas that could be then integrated into the final outcome of the Brainteaser project. And I suppose there will be a final challenge during the year. All the information obviously are available on the Brainteaser project, so for all the stakeholders which are interested.
Thank you so much.
For the challenges, but also for all the other activities.
Exactly,
still
for
ongoing
all the other activities and opportunities to engage. And all those projects, of course, have website, but also are on LinkedIn, and most are still on X. Yeah, thank you so much, Vincenzo.